Introducing the young man that you chose to be soul brother number one.
Funk to me is a feeling. It's a feeling that you have inside that you let out. Your expression of the feeling.
Funk to me is church. It's religious. It's spiritual. You can't pretend to be funky. Either you're funky or you're not. Either it's ignorance on you.
Aloha Friday. Today's March 1st. I'm Che from Sierra Blue, and today's topic is guerrilla marketing. I do digital, but I also do guerrilla, which is what hand-to-hand, street, person-to-person, real-world stuff, off the computer. I've been working with this company, Wanderlust. It's a brand, it's a company, it's an event, it's a festival. I've been working with Wanderlust off and on for 11 years. And they're out of New York, and it's a yoga retreat of sorts with more than just yoga, and we're going to get to that in a second. I'm going to stick on the topic. So they asked me if I wanted to help them spread, that means distribute, paper in Sacramento for an event in San Francisco coming up May 4th and 5th. 2 days, Golden Gate Park. It's going to be awesome. I might go check it out. I said, sure, I'll help you, because, I know Sacramento. So they shipped me a box full of paper. I got on my bicycle, I put it all together, and I rode and I hit up all the local yoga studios in town, which there's a lot. And a lot of what I've done is in this field, not just yoga, but outdoor, nature, athletic, health. And so I know a lot of people just naturally that run, own, manage, work at the studios. And it was really nice to walk in and see people like Stephanie Birch or the people at Zuda who actually work at Wanderlust, to see them cut through the chase. They don't need to hear the spiel. They took my paper, they put up posters, they were happy, we got hugs, we got photos. It was fun. It made my work fun and easy. So got that done, target your market, spread, shake hands, leave paper, and everybody's happy. They want it, and we want to have them want it. So it was win-win. It makes the studio look like they're up on top. So they shipped yesterday, and within 12 hours, Sacramento's top studios had the paper for Wanderlust in their studios. So the students get excited, they see it, they're like, yeah, this will be fun. So that is Guerrilla Marketing 101, spreading paper, targeting your market, and doing it right. Not just willy-nilly throwing them out. I hate mailers. That's not very good target marketing. In fact, most mailers get thrown away. I'm going to say 85% of the paper I spread yesterday, they're going to go into a yoga bag. They're going to be on an office or the fridge at home, and already people are saying, I'm going to be in San Francisco at Golden Gate Park May 4th and or 5th for Wanderlust, because I targeted my market. All right, a lot of people want to know maybe, what is Wanderlust? And I can sit here for 10 minutes and not really give a good description, decent. So there's this video that I've helped compile that will shed light. And I've seen lots of videos, and I've produced videos at Wanderlust, with Wanderlust, for Wanderlust, whatever. This one, though, they put together. And of all the stuff I've seen, and I've been going for almost 11 years, will be this July, this one really seems to capture the essence, beyond just what it looks like and what it is, right? Not just a festival, not just music, not just wine and dining and swimming and cycling and running and yoga and slackline and all this stuff and international food courts. There's more to it than that. So those are the things that Wanderlust has going on. But there is a vibe, there is a spirit, there is an essence that I think almost everybody who goes gets touched by. And I do. I get emotional about it. It's one of my favorite events of the year. It really is. And if you go, look for me. I will be probably volunteering with something like this. I did not wear this on purpose. This is last year's volunteer shirt. I worked with lifeguards up at Alpine Lake, and that was really fun. Long day in the sun. Bring your suntan lotion. Long day in the sun with the suppers. Met so many fun people, and I'm looking forward to seeing them again this year. All right, take care and enjoy the video.
I was looking for something. A spark, a break from the routine, a breath of fresh air. I found a community of people that welcomed me. I connected with teachers who are not only people I look up to, but also people I can say are friends. By exploring, listening, and learning, I was able to connect to that place inside of me that thrives.
Things were changing. You could see it in our faces. So much joy, friendship, wonder, and peace. I was looking for something, and I found it.